getting no gunshots, but they getting low, low, low.
How would it become that? The customer is not available at this time.
Why, Misha, why? That SAAD over there. Come inside. What the hell is he doing? SAAD. What? Yeah. What should we do?
Hello.
You look so beautiful in this light. Let me take a picture. Misha answered, SAAD. I feel happy. Come on, let's go inside.
I don't want to go inside.
Why?
Because look at the floor.
What?
Yeah.
He is walking.
I know, but it's disturbing for my feet.
It's disturbing, SAAD?
For my feet. I don't want to go.
SAAD, my stuff is there. People are looking. You don't know how mad I am. Because I have no idea where I am right now. No, because I don't know this area. And Misha is making me really mad. What do you mean, why? He's not even awake. He just got up. He told me I'm gonna be here at 7. I said, okay, I'll be there.
What did he tell you?
He told me, be there at 7, 7:15.
No, what did he tell you? Phone call. What did he tell you?
He's like, yeah, I'm awake. I said, did you see how many times you called me? I called you. He said, no. Huh? Yeah. He said, no, I didn't see how many times. And I was getting mad. I was like, just come here. He's like, I'll be here in 5 minutes.
Wait,
So,
did he want it?
oh, thank you, son.
Did he tell you that like I will not come or something?
No.
What did he tell you?
When? Right now? He said, I'm coming in 5 minutes. Let's see if he's lying.
Wait,
It's
let's see
impossible.
what time did he call you? And let's see what time is it. Is the time right?
Huh? Yeah.
Okay.
My phone is right.
SAAD.
It's a question mark. Wait, look at that. It's upside down. wait, turn upside down. Okay, yeah, see that? Okay. When did I call him? Look at all this. And I called him like 30
called him
times.
7:24. It's been 6 minutes. He's not here.
He's a liar.
Let's see how many times did you call him?
Okay, let's no, this is not everything. I even called him from my house like 15, 20 times.
Oh.
So yeah.
So you called him 2, 1, 2, 5, 3. What the?
Yeah, exactly. Okay, son.
Look, I got a new phone, dude.
Okay, let's show the camera. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, what? I'm calling HAITHAM. Hello?
He picked up? HAITHAM?
HAITHAM.
Tell him,
Oh, wait,
come to
press
Holland.
4 to left to leave.
Oh yeah, I know what's
I
going
don't know
on.
how I
I tried
called
calling
HAITHAM.
him. I tried calling him, that comes.
Look at this. This is my phone.
Oh, that's man.
You know how I can open it?
How?
With my touch. Look
Oh
at
my
this.
god. I like where it's placed.
Yeah,
not
like where it's
placed.
placed.
Oh. Okay, son.
Yeah.
We'll recontinue this when Misha arrives. I'm really hungry, but we'll eat with Misha. See this boy? He made me very mad. No, you don't deserve that, Misha. Explain, Misha, why, man?
Okay,
Say sorry.
I'll tell you, I'm sorry.
Well, you give me your glasses now. That's
tell you now.
that's the rule. Putin supports Trump, Misha. I don't like it anymore. Oh my god! Sorry, it suits you.
Oh shit.
Oh,
No, wait,
it just got real.
Sad. Oh shit.
Oh,
Shit.
Wait, is that
Why
work
did
here?
you come late?
Video like. Oh look, that's you too. Wait, stay still. Look, that's you.
Okay, Misha.
Okay.
Why did?
Now tell me where the
You're no. Wait, let's see how late you are. Almost an hour late.
No, wait.
You said we called you. He called you at 7:24.
I wrote 7/720, yeah? Or 7:15. 15. Okay.
And what's the time now? 7?
7:43.
I woke up
At
7:15.
Oh, you said be there at 7.
Listen, I know. Okay.
So finish, you're late.
Okay, I'm late.
No,
I
you
know.
have no excuses.
Yeah, no excuse. What's your excuse? I'll play GTA with Aman. Yeah.
خلص, I'm late then,
So you
but I'm
want to
here.
like-
Yeah, say sorry.
Okay, I'm sorry.
But you have to, dude, how don't you get up when somebody calls you? He even called your mom. He called your mom.
I called him.
My dad woke me up actually.
Oh, see? You're
So,
still a small little boy.
So I wouldn't.
You
no,
need your parents to wake you up.
Yeah, see?
Say sorry to everybody. To
Sorry
Saad.
everybody for being
And
late.
me.
And Buji.
Even Saad, you're sitting and sleeping. I called him, he's like, oh. I'm like, Saad. He's like, oh. I couldn't understand what you were saying. I was like, hello, Saad. He's like, no. I was like, what? Well, get up. He's like, why? I'm like, I told you I had to go skate. He's like, oh. He didn't even tell his parents. He's stupid. Okay, see you when we're eating. Right? Papa. Did you get your wax or no? Oh, son.
We have just ordered the food.
Hello.
We're waiting.
And
You know we dropped this here?
Yeah, we spilled the water over. We spilled the water, but then my thing, look, you think like,
Saad's butt wipe everything.
then you're saying I'm so stupid for bringing this, but
I was thinking, why'd you get
actually helped me.
it? Why would you get this, son?
I don't know, I felt like we need it.
Son.
Oh, Buji, put it, your phone. See, this is why I brought the hit there.
But should we tell them the story that
Okay,
happened on Thursday?
No.
Oh, what is this? What is this?
Whoa.
Video.
What is that, son? I was trying to set a time lapse and I got that on film. Yo, son.
It was too hot.
So why did you react like that? Dude, you know how hungry I am.
Just turn it on and we're gonna be finishing it. This is the Vortex crew live.
Hello everybody. This is Life Hacks with Misha. And today I'll teach you
Yeah, I
how
don't
to
know.
make your sandwich a better sandwich. See? This is our make egg or whatever do you call it.
This is make egg.
Now look what you do.
What?
You have a hash brown.
Fish bread.
Open your sandwich. Smash
Yeah, I
the hash
didn't think
brown
about that.
inside. Close it
And enjoy. Which you fucked up. Isn't it good?
and
It tastes better like this. You can eat this alone, you eat that alone.
no look.
Look at this. This is better.
Well, I will be a normal human being. And I will eat one of those, and drink some coffee and go home.
Go home or go straight?
I'll go to the moon.
just finished skating 2 spots. The spot beside McDonald's, and we've skated a spot somewhere there. Okay, Saad just had to leave because he had to go to the dentist. So yeah.
Gotta fix his teeth, boy.
Yeah.
He's gonna make him white. Or maybe make him black.
Me and Bujumbura are gonna go to 2 more spots, and then we'll meet up with Saad again, probably in this parking lot. We'll try to get some footy in here. And yeah, let's go.
I don't know what the announcement is, but he wants to announce.
Give me. So guys, you know what? There's been a lot of hate to Vortex crew.
Really?
Yeah. So, Buji, say an announcement to our haters. Say it.
What is it?
Just say any announcement to our haters.
I love you.
Again.
I love you. Oh! You missed! You missed.
Shit, I just missed Buji's face. I was trying to spray him like this.
Oh. Actually feels good.
Right now, Vortex crew is on a hunt for a bird. For food. It's sad.
Maybe he caught a bird.
What's up, Sad?
We're at Beirut Mall.
Beirut Mall. Make a time. Sad with your picture. Beirut Mall. So the bird flew away. It's not there anymore. Vortex crew ain't got chicken.
Oh! What the hell, Misha?
Check this out. Look. These are my marks from yesterday.
Oh,
You see? Progression is the key.
that's sick, that's sick.
Unbelievable. So guys, I just fell down and I hit my left leg. There's a bug over here. Not anymore. Oh yeah, it's moving. Buji.
You can't even see it 100%, but
Okay. So guys, I just fallen down. I hit my left leg. Kinda hurts, not really. Buji just attempted the first try, frontside 180, and he
slipped out. You know the slip out fall? Like,
slammed on the ground.
I broke my butt.
So Saad is probably gonna come sometime soon.
What's the time right now?
10:30.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Shit.
I thought it was like 11. I was like, oh my god.
We have time. So yeah, guys.
You're a failure in life. By the way, at Beirut Mall. Overexposed. Not Lebanon, Beirut, but Beirut Mall.
Yeah. Buji, what have you done?
Nothing.
Say what's wrong with the footage.
Misha's memory card is full.
And Buji forgot to delete old clips.
I do that because sometimes.
Stupid!
No. Because sometimes.
Stupid!
No, because sometimes.
Okay,
Okay, so guys. So we're at Beirut Mall. SAAD showed up. And we can't film with Misha's GoPro because thank you, SAAD. Because I forgot to delete the footage and there's no space. So like, I don't know if we're gonna film more skating. Maybe it'll be with this. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and yeah. Shaka
You have this and I have that.
Wow,
It's really
special
tea.
latte. No, you got
it's coffee.
no, you got just dark coffee with nothing in it. You have to put these in.
Oh, okay.
You see, I'm special. They don't like you.
No, man, I'm a adult. I can do.
I'm a adult.
I'm a dadult. Dadult.
Dadult.